Are you getting packed? Are you getting packed? You have to do it all by yourself? Huh? You can do it though, can't you? Good girl, you can just pack your own bags.
And these?
Yeah.
And these folded. Fold these.
Fold these, that's the way, just bend them in the middle. That girl, you're good. You're good.
I do this
Yeah.
one first.
There you go. Just lay her just like that. That's good. Oh, you're a real helper, aren't you? Hmm? You're a real helper. You can do it by yourself, can't you?
I need help.
Oh, you need help? What kind of help do you need? Be careful you don't fall on that thing. Honey, don't do that. You get down. You'll fall. Okay. Yeah. Don't unfold them.
What are you doing? No.
I know it's yours.
Why don't you put them in my bedroom?
Huh?
Why don't you put them in my bedroom?
That'll have to be when Uncle Brooke totes all this stuff. We'll see if he'll tote that too. In his
Tomorrow?
truck tomorrow.
What do you got, 2-bedroom or 3?
2. 1 bath. We'll walk up and show him like that. Tell him that's mine when I'm 18. Not too close. Tell him.
Was that yours? Was that yours when you win?
No, it was Dad.
Your
But
daddy?
Daddy gonna give it to you when you graduate high school, ain't he?
Everybody wants it. Who wants it?
Bro,
Jeff.
Jeff, and you,
Yeah.
Papa.
Yeah.
Daddy, how did I
I
get?
do.
Did I win that?
Yes.
You do. You don't want it.
Mhm.
What would you do with it?
Say it's for show, isn't it? It's real pretty. It's put up in a cabinet. Come here.
Miss. She's throwing in there.
Why are you unfolding them, chickadee?
The mom's older.
Huh? How come you unfolded it?
You gonna fold it? Fold it back and put it in the box.